Where are we going, girls? Legoland! Legoland!
And she got Rabbit.
She's got Bunny.
It's Martina.
We need Martina.
Oh, no.
Oh, we're ready to go, but Aria needs Martina. Martina's a turtle.
Beans, beds, pillows.
Yeah, Mika's got a little checklist for what we need. You fit quite nicely there, camera. There's like a little divot and it fits quite nicely. Not that I can have you there while I'm driving because you obscure my view. You saw a butterfly? Check out my hat.
No,
I've nicked my Ben's hat.
That's a pigeon.
It's a bizzle hat.
Tina. How would you like Tina? Beds, pillows, beans.
She's just doing her checklist.
Banana, apple, Tina.
She's just saying food now. Bed, Barry, beans.
Beans?
Who's most excited for Legoland in their Lego t-shirt? Bender is most excited. How many minutes?
5 minutes.
5 minutes till we get to?
Legoland.
You done such a good job waiting. A big airplane. Oh, Mika, this is a tune. Get your tambourine, go and get yourself a whistle on. Get your tambourine, go and get yourself a whistle on. Get your tambourine, go and get yourself a whistle on. Get your tambourine, go and get yourself a whistle on. Uh-oh, look, there's Legoland. Don't undo Mika's. She's got her blind up. Where are we, girls? Legoland. Wow. Did you guys find some maps? What do you want to do first?
Yellow car.
You want to go on the yellow car? I can see some Lego dinosaurs.
Think the cars.
Look, girls.
Right, everyone stay together, please. Someone get that dog on the basket.
Is she talking to you?
Wow.
We've got Aria a buggy. Oh yeah! Aria's directing where we're going. Mika's sad because the train's closed today. Wow, look at him. You like him? What are you doing in there, Aria? You like it? Mika, what way are we going now? You choose. Do you want to go to Miniland?
That way.
This way. There's a slide, Mika. We are at Legoland and half the rides are shut. I'm really, really annoyed. Like half the rides that the girls can go on are shut for some reason. So we're gonna go and find out what's going on. What are we doing, babe? What are we doing, babe? The baby train?
It's gonna be amazing, Mum.
I don't know if we're gonna fit on this one. What do you think is gonna happen? Do you think it's gonna go fast? Are you excited? Is the door shut?
Yeah.
Are you going to wave at Daddy when we go past? You mustn't stand up though. How many excited are you?
Very excited.
You're secure? You're secure? Jak tysiąc pojazd głowa bez gluts, pojazd piąskał. Sobie na galę się. Well, everyone to Jude, just remember to remain seated.
Ready?
And we'll get going in 3, 2, 1.
Say choo-choo. Can you say bye-bye? Whoa! Is it super fast? Do you like it? Tell me when you see Daddy and Aria.
Daddy and Aria.
Daddy and Aria?
Now.
Where's Daddy and Aria? Do you love it? We're both going on this one.
And Maria.
Go, Mika! Mika, steer, babe. Look at you! You're doing it! You're gonna crash, babe. Steer straight. Look at you! Hey, bub. Wow, you look cool. Good job. Crash. Come on, Ari. Aria, steer. Oops. She's totally old enough to be on there. Go on, little fish. And straight into the other wall. You are doing it. Good job. Thumbs up.
That's it.
The pigeon will move, babe. Don't worry. Go, Ari, steer. Steer, Aria.
Perfect.
Good job.
Push the lady.
Just push your sister along. Oh my god, this is amazing.
Bye. Oh.
Greetings, new recruits.
Right,
Looks like
Aria.
another busy day out there. Grab yourselves a boat and head out on patrol.
You ready? Aria. Uh-oh, somebody's crashed. It's Mummy and Aria have crashed. Mummy's crashed. Is this nice? You see Legos. Should we catch him? Is this nice, Aria? Uh-oh. He's got a fishy. Oh dear. They crashed. I see an elephant! No, he's crashed as well.
I'm not steering that way. Shark!
Shark attack! Use more belly.
Hello. It is so hot. So hot. Look at the sky. It's so hot. But it's really quiet. And then Ari's loving her buggy. Mika, are you having fun? How much fun? Here's Aria. She's in her buggy. She's super cool. Whoa. You liked the submarine, did you? Did you cry before you went on the submarine though? But then you realised it's not scary, it's just fun? Yeah. What animals did you see? What animals did you see? Did you see a shark? Did you see a Nemo?
Yes.
Did you see a Dory? In the tank? You right there, Bender? Sweaty.
So we'll have a picture together when we're up in the air.
Safety flushes here.
Make it read the instructions.
Yeah, ready? Ready? Oh, where are we going? Up in the air. Wow!
Wow.
Do you like it? How high are we? Aria, do you like it? How high are we? Super high. Do you like it? Can you see everything? You mustn't see. You down your bottom, Mika, otherwise they'll tell you off.
Over there.
What?
Things in the air, look.
Oh God, no thanks.
Which actually comes round.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
That is a big fat no, thank you. It will go round and round, babe.
A nice breeze.
There's another hot air balloon down there. How excited are you?
12.
12.
Up and down.
We're not even at the top yet, Mika. Look, there's more people above us. Me and Mika are going on the rapids. Are you excited, babe? Yeah? What's that yellow thing? It's a dryer, because you're going to get soggy. We're going to get wet. I just complained because the rides were all shut and got some super shitty attitude from some twat on the counter. Lost Ben now, telling me that I am, oh there he is, telling me that it's all on their website but it's hidden so you have to look for it. So, fuck you Legoland. I'm not going to put your face in it. I'm just going to like film you from the neck down.
Okay.
Where are we at, Ellie?
We're at Dinton Pastures.
Dinton Pastures. Mika, are you excited? A squirrel! I see him in the tree.
Yeah, a donkey.
Yeah.
A donkey?
Mika, come here.
It does look like a donkey.
If you open a gate, you have to shut the gate.
Yeah,
you
so shut the gate. You push it.
Push it shut. That's it. You have to click in place.
There you go. Right, Mika. What are you going to go on?
Dinosaur eggs.
Ari, you going to show us how you run? Look.
Oh,
Just everything just wobbles. Dinosaur eggs. Mika, look at the big chair.
Can we sit up here, Aria?
No, we'll do that later. She's like, Instagram pictures later, Daddy. Wow, look at this, girls. Whoa.
Got the whole park to yourself.
gonna go on the caterpillar.
Yeah, Mika, do you need a wee? Here we have girl Ben and boy Ali. Nobody, girls. Yeah, don't go near what Daddy and Auntie Ali are doing. I think Auntie Ali regrets her decision here.
Oh no. You're on the farm.
No, please. Hello, Mr. Magpie. What do you think? But there's a tunnel over here, girls. A tunnel. You want to go over here? Are they actually? I'm so happy I'm filming.
I just made it up.
I'm just going to blur your face with my finger like this. Look.
No.
There you go, you're blurred.
That's not really what they're for.
I think it is. Is it too big a hill for you, Ari?
For you.
Too big a tit? We haven't even set off and I've hurt my minge. Go!